Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy Wiz sitting outside the gym right now. So to piggyback off of my last video, which was the best diet to get six-pack abs, I'm actually about to go inside the gym and show you my 3 favorite exercises to get six-pack abs. So like I said, these are my 3 favorite exercises. I'm not, calling them the 3 best or anything like that, but these are exercises that I like to do when I'm leaning down, to go along with my diet to pretty much flatten out my stomach and bring out those abs. So I'm gonna be showing you 3 movements, and all 3 of the movements are gonna target different parts of my abs. I'm gonna be working my upper abs, my side abs, which are called the obliques, and my lower abs. So let's go ahead in the gym and check out these exercises. What's going on, people? Welcome back to another commentary with your boy. So right off the back, our first exercise is going to be a cable crunch. Now, whenever you're doing any type of ab exercise where you're bringing your torso to your legs, it's going to be working your upper abs. So with this exercise, as you can see, we're holding on to the cable, we're crunching down into a ball, and we're keeping tension on our abs as we come up. You don't want to go all the way up because then you're going to strain your lower back. If you want to work your upper abs in the house and you don't have access to a machine like this, what you could do is you can do some toe touches where you're laying flat on your back and you have your feet up in the air and you're trying to touch your toes. That also works your upper abs. Or you can just do any type of traditional sit-up where that's going to be working your upper abs. All right, guys, now moving into my favorite exercise for the obliques or the side ab. It's going to be this cable twist right here. So the same rules apply as far as with the cable crunch. You want to make sure you keep your tension on that outside side or outside oblique. As you can see, we're just twisting down, kind of like simulating, say if I had like an axe in my hand and I was chopping some wood, we're just twisting at the core. You're going to feel it in your obliques, like I said. And if you don't have access to a machine like this and you want to work your obliques, you can do things like a torso twist with no weight, or a torso twist with like a medicine ball or something. But this, I feel, is the most effective exercise for the side abs. All right, guys, so the last movement we're going to be doing are single leg knee raises. Now, keep in mind, whenever you're bringing your legs to your torso, you're now working your lower abs, like the bottom part of your stomach. And with this movement, we're going to keep the leg that's not moving straight and 6 inches off the ground. And that moving leg, we're going to be moving back and forth, driving that knee upward towards your torso, really crunching on those lower abs. And if this is too hard for you, you can just do a standard 6 inches, just keeping both of your legs straight 6 inches off the ground, or you can do flutter kicks. So these are the ab exercises that I pretty much use to tighten up my core, get them abs popping. And you can also implement these yourself to get some great results as well. All right, people, so those are my favorite 3 ab exercises to do when I'm leaning down to bring out my abs. And remember, none of these exercises mean anything if your diet isn't right and you don't lose the fat around your abs first. Because ab exercises, they strengthen your abs and they actually make your ab muscles bigger. So if you have a layer of fat, around your stomach, or just too much fat, you're gonna appear more bulkier. It's gonna like push the fat out. So you wanna make sure that you're eating a good diet, and you're incorporating some type of cardio with these workouts as well. And if you really want to, bring it on home, incorporate a good resistance routine. But I'm going to go ahead and get out of here, man. If you did enjoy the video, I would really appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. That would be cool. And until my next video, I will catch you guys later on. Deuces, baby.